Okay, so get this. AI is now doing science, like actual science.
Whoa.
Not just, crunching numbers or analyzing data,
Right.
but designing and running experiments and even like making discoveries.
Yeah, it's crazy, right?
It's like having a brainy lab partner that never sleeps.
Totally.
And we've got some wild articles today about this like cutting edge AI research.
Definitely cutting edge.
And, well, we're going to dive deep into like what this means for the future of science,
Yeah, for sure.
Like what happens when AI takes on a bigger role.
Big questions.
So first off, get this, Chinese researchers are like leading the charge in this whole AI scientist thing.
Really?
Yeah. There's this article in Tech Times about it.
Okay.
They're talking about this team in China that's developed an AI that can like design and run experiments.
Wow.
And material science, like looking for new catalysts.
So like speeding up chemical reactions and stuff.
Exactly. And
That's amazing.
what's even more mind-blowing is that it's not just limited to one field.
Oh, so it's not just like a one-trick pony.
No, like this AI, it's like learning the scientific method itself.
Whoa.
So it could like theoretically be applied to anything.
That's huge.
It is. And that leads us to this thing called the AI scientist.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of that.
Yeah, Mark Techpost had a great piece on it.
Yeah.
It's like the world's first AI system that can make like totally open-ended discoveries.
Like it's not just following instructions.
Right. It's like coming up with its own ideas and testing them out.
Wow. That's next level.
I know, right?
Yeah.
So what do you think, like, how does this impact the pace of scientific progress?
Well, I mean, think about it. If AI can formulate hypotheses and test them, 24/7,
Right.
the speed of discovery could just skyrocket.
Totally. Like new drugs, personalized medicine, maybe even solutions to like climate change.
Exactly. All that stuff that takes years and years could happen much faster.
That's incredible. But I got to admit, I'm a little freaked out too. Like, what happens to human scientists?
Yeah, I get that.
Do we just become obsolete?
Well, I don't think so.
Okay.
I think it's more about collaboration. AI can handle the grunt work, the data analysis, even suggest new research paths. But that frees up human scientists to like think bigger, focus on the ethical stuff, the creative leaps that AI can't do.
Feels like a partnership.
Yeah, correct.
AI augmenting our abilities.
Right. Pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
So for everyone listening, what fields do you think would benefit most from this AI-driven research?
Yeah. And what are your thoughts on this whole human AI partnership thing?
It's wild to think we're on the verge of this new era in science.
I know, right?
AI going from tool to collaborator.
A total game changer.
And it makes you wonder, what does it even mean to make a scientific discovery anymore?
Right, like if AI is designing and running the experiments, coming up with the conclusions,
Yeah.
are we redefining scientific creativity?
Heavy stuff.
It is something to think about as we enter this exciting, maybe even disruptive new world.
Definitely disruptive.
For sure.
Thanks for listening, everybody, and make sure to check out the show notes for links to those articles we talked about.
Yeah, check those out.
And until next time, keep on exploring.
Keep on diving deep.